In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely remove an individual response without affecting the rest of your form. Start by heading to Google Forms in your browser. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you may be prompted to log in. Make sure you're using an account that has edit access to the form because only editors can view and delete responses. This process works best on a desktop browser where all the controls are easy to see. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll see a grid of your recent forms. Find the form you want to manage and click it to open. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the form by name. Opening the correct form is important because you'll be deleting data for that specific form only. Inside the form editor, look toward the top of the page for two main tabs, questions and responses. Click responses to switch from editing questions to managing the answers you've collected. This area gives you an overview of how many responses you have and offers different ways to review them. Within the responses area, select the individual view. You'll notice three subviews: summary, question, and individual. Summary aggregates the data. Question lets you review answers by prompt, and individual shows one person's submission at a time. For deletion, you need the individual view because that's where the delete option appears for each specific response. Now, navigate to the exact response you want to remove. Use the left and right arrows or the small drop down to jump to a particular submission. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct one. When you're ready, click the delete response icon, which looks like a trash can. A confirmation message will appear. Read it carefully and confirm the deletion. This action removes the selected response from the form and reduces your total response count accordingly. A quick note: deleting a response in Google Forms is permanent in the form itself and cannot be undone. Also, if your form is linked to a spreadsheet, the deleted response typically remains in that spreadsheet since forms and sheets keep their own records. If needed, remove the corresponding row in the sheet separately. If you have multiple responses to delete, simply repeat the same process for each one. And remember, deleting responses does not close your form to new submissions. It only removes existing ones. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete responses in Google Forms.